our trash bin. You may now take your seats. Thank you. Is there anyone absent today, class? None, teacher. So before we proceed our informal discussion, I have here the classroom rules that you need to follow. Everybody, kindly read our classroom rules. Listen carefully. Engage actively. Ask questions. Respect everyone. Never interrupt. Okay, this is our classroom rules that you need to follow throughout our day. Understood? Yes, teacher. Okay. So today, class, I have your activity game that you need. I have your activity game which called TikTok word game. So all you're gonna do is you need to combine two pictures and you need to guess it what the pictures are pertaining to. And do you understood? Yes, teacher. Right. So here's the example. So here plus ring is equals to earring. Alright, we get it now. So next, let's begin now. Here is the first picture. Rock cycle. Okay, very good, rock cycle. How about this one? Instant news. Another? Malapit ka sa katotohanan. IG plus news. Genius. Siret. That is fake news. IG plus news, which is fake news. Another one. How about this one? Metamorphic. Wow, very good. Metamorphic. Ano ka naman? How about this one? Civic class. Civic class. Look. May mga students. This is an elementary. Civic class. Yes. Very good. Sedimentary. Okay. So class, I have a question. Based on our activity, what would be our topic today? Yes, Maris?
Teacher, I guess our topic this morning is all about rock cycle.
Wow, very good, Maris. You got it right. So, class, have you ever wondered how rocks transform and change over time? Have you ever wondered how rocks are transformed? Sumagi pa sa iyong kaisipan kung paano ba mag-transform ang rocks into another kind of rocks? Yes or no? No? Okay. 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 Alright. We will discuss it today for you to understand our lesson today, how rocks are formed into another kind of rocks. So our topic today is all about rock cycles. So but before we proceed our formal discussion, I want you all to read our learning objectives.
Early for the next period. Tatlo sila.